I love ketchup. Ketchup on my burgers, ketchup on my hot dogs, ketchup on my fries. I even like ketchup on my eggs. I like it so much I thought we'd make some together. Core and cut 3 tomatoes into 4s. Combine tomatoes, 1/3 cup brown sugar, 1/3 cup apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, and 1 teaspoon salt into a pan and bring to a boil while stirring occasionally. When mixture comes to a boil, reduce to medium heat and cook for 10 minutes. Remove from heat and cool for 5 minutes. Blend in a food processor and refrigerate 2 hours before serving.